The federal government could resume accepting DACA applications. I'm Carla Sosa, your neighborhood reporter. We talked with an immigration attorney and they tell us what this means.
The federal government submitted some documents to the federal court that insinuating and alleging that they would allow for new applications to be accepted by USCIS.
Just because the federal government wants to accept new deferred action for childhood arrivals applications doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen right away.
But I want to make clear that this does not mean that USCIS has began or started accepting new DACA applications today or at any point. This final decision on whether to accept new applications still is subject to an order being prescribed by the federal judge overseeing the case.
In June 2012, DACA was created under the Obama administration. It grants people without legal immigration status who were brought into the country by their parents 2-year renewable permits to live and work in the U.S. legally. Although a federal judge needs to approve of accepting new applicants, Tobar has recommendations for eligible DACA applicants.
It is best practice to start documenting and start collecting documents that are allow them to prove their physical presence in the United States since the time that they entered the United States.
Tovar also wants to warn people of scammers.
It also flagged that there are going to be many individuals who are going to be defrauding individuals, perhaps letting them know that this is a benefit that they can apply to now, maybe charging them hundreds of dollars in order to submit an application that just yet at this time is not being accepted.
But due to the current immigration climate that's happening, Tovar believes some could hesitate to apply because it could put their loved ones at risk of deportation.
Even if some youth are able to gain some protections, that youth individually needs to assess on a case-by-case basis whether this is the right benefit for them, and considering not only themselves, but also considering their family members if they lived in a mixed status household, and the fact that USCIS will have access to their home address.
California is home to the largest DACA recipients in the United States. In Bakersfield, I'm Carla Sosa, your neighborhood reporter.